I don't know if this resonates with anybody when I say it, but it's like teaching the internet how to do social. So, because what the internet does is it's a giant collectively shared and owned thing.
Yeah.
So whenever you start to tap into these Fediverse technologies, you're tapping straight into that existing network, and getting the user base initially is such a challenge. Getting an initial enough activity going on, things like that. So even if they're not locally your users, and we ran into that cold start problem ourselves because we actually did it's a separate technology with the ad protocol. So for a while, people are just like, I showed up and I looked for my favorite people. They weren't there, so I bounced, right? So that should just stop happening. That should stop being a factor entirely in how these things go. So now you're lowering the threshold costs for new products to come into play, and that means that there's just way more opportunity for people to build something better. And if it's not us, it's the next person, right? With each of these projects. In some ways, we kind of want to make sure that we stick to well-established patterns with what we're doing with our work, because we know that works. But even more adventurous people can come afterwards, and that's great.